Scot Forge does more than just forge. We take the weight off your shoulders. We're always looking for ways to enhance your products while taking extra steps and costs out of your operation. For example, Sally needed a better way to make a giant part that went into her company's heavy equipment. To make that one giant part, Sally's company fabricated it from 3 large metal and cast components. That took a lot of time, a lot of resources, and a lot of money to do all the fabricating, machining, and painting themselves. That's when Sally sat down with the forging experts at Scot Forge. Together, we figured out how to make the part as a stronger, more robust one-piece forging. And by taking on everything from forging the steel to machining to the final coat of paint, we eliminated all the extra steps, excess inventory, and added costs of fabrication for Sally. She could now use that newfound capacity for other projects. Plus, we could ship these one-piece components ready for assembly directly to locations anywhere in the world, saving additional time and inventory costs. How much time did we save? Altogether, Sally was able to shave 3 weeks or 27% off her previous process. And by eliminating fabrication steps, Sally saved her company 24% from the original unit price, adding up to an annual savings of more than 6 figures. Plus, with a stronger forged part, the chances of expensive breakdowns in the field are dramatically reduced, which means Sally gains assurance that her company's products will keep on working as promised for her customers, day in, day out. Scot Forge, enhancing product performance, saving time, and cutting costs. And by working together, taking the weight off the shoulders of customers like Sally. What solution can we forge for you?